Hello YouTube and Facebook. I'm here to make caramelized bananas with honey and brown sugar. I have a bunch of bananas left over that are really ripe, and instead of tossing them, I'm going to caramelize them. And then you could always just eat them, or you can put them in a freezer bag and freeze them for another day, or just put them in the refrigerator and snack on it. So I have the honey, brown sugar, butter, the bananas, as many as you want, and I got the pan with a cover. So I'm going to start by cutting these bananas in wedge slices. So be back, YouTube. Alright, so YouTube, we're back. I cut all the bananas in like wedge slices, and got the pan ready. Well, semi ready. Have to put the butter in. But we're gonna take brown sugar and sprinkle it on top of these bananas, and then we're gonna start cooking them. It's best to have a cover. You can do two things. You can take honey and add it with water, and then when you're done with the bananas, throw it in there and then let it simmer. Or when the bananas are done, you can just lightly top it. I'm just gonna lightly top it, but it's your choice. Alright, so we're back. You're gonna take some brown sugar, do it the way you like, and just start coating your bananas with it. After you do that, you can let it sit here for a couple minutes and let the brown sugar seep into the bananas. But you can see right there, so you just want to sprinkle that on there, and then you can also put butter in your pan, let that coat it, and then put your bananas in there, and then you'll cook them a couple minutes till they get golden brown, and then when they come out, just top them with honey. Alright, so we have the butter in there. It's melting. It's all medium. We have the bananas. We're going to take these bananas and just toss them in there. If you need so, throw in some more brown sugar. You can hear it start to sizzle. So the thing you're going to want to do is cover this. So you're going to cook this, try to cook the bananas on both sides. Fluctuate the stove between low and medium, and then once they come out, you can just plate them and just drizzle it with honey. Alright, so you can see the bananas there. Like I said, just stir them. You're gonna the banana's gonna mix with the butter and the brown sugar. Like I said, if you want to, you can take a couple tablespoons of honey and add some water and mix that up and then pour it into this mix. But I'm gonna skip on that today. Be back, YouTubers and Facebook. Alright, we're almost there. They're almost caramelized. You know what? Let's kick it up a notch. Let's take some cinnamon and throw some cinnamon in there. Now those colors really came together right there. I tasted this before while you were gone, and it was already good. I could really smell the cinnamon. Now I'm just going to cover it and like simmer it for like maybe 30 seconds to a minute, and we're done. Yeah, excuse me YouTube, they're cutting the grass outside so I can hear the leaf blower. Alright, so we're in the final stage. I have the stove on low and it's just a simmer. In 30 seconds I will turn it off, uncover it, and we just have to add honey. So we're done, YouTube. There it is, caramelized banana with brown sugar and cinnamon. And now we'll plate it and just drizzle it with honey. This only takes like 5 minutes, that's it. And there's no definitely do not toss your bananas when they get ripe. When you need to toss them, do this. And if you can't eat it, just freeze it, or just cook it and put it in your refrigerator and eat it during the week. Be back. So we're back, YouTube. There's the caramelized bananas. You can see the pan, all the sauce in there. So usually you want to take that out and put it over the bananas, but now we're going to take the honey And we're just going to slightly drizzle it. But that's basically it. So you have your caramelized bananas with cinnamon, brown sugar, and a splash of honey. Thanks for visiting my channel. Please subscribe, hit the bell for 6 updates a week. God bless. Peace out. Dansoy.